Promise, we're almost to the examples. Real quickly, there are essentially 6 steps to writing a SMART goal. The first step is to identify and clearly define that target skill or behavior we want to address in the goal. And we'll talk more about that on the next few slides. Second, then, we need to determine their baseline performance, where they are, so that we can include the from, right? Third, we need to consider their past progress, right? This is a way that we can best judge where we expect to get to within our timeline, right? Remember, our goal needs to be attainable or achievable within the timeline. So if we think about past progress, that'll give us a better idea of how far we can expect to get this year or this IEP period. Number 4, along with this idea of past progress and the skill we want them to achieve, we cannot always expect that they will achieve those skills independently in one IEP period. So number 4 is to really define the level of prompting and the type of prompting that you're going to need in order to be successful in improving their performance on that particular skill or behavior. 5, think about the strategies to teach that target skill. So if you are mindful when you're creating the goal of how you plan to implement and teach this goal, then that will make it much easier for you to think about how you'll be collecting data towards that goal. All right? Finally, you write a draft goal, and then number 6 is a few SMART goal tests. And we'll cover those tests when you come in person for day 2. We'll practice the potato test and stranger test and several other benchmark tests to ensure that you've written a SMART goal.